What is up, Daisies? It's your girl Nina back with another reaction. It's been a while. Yeah, I know. It's been over a month since I last recorded the videos when I was looking all cute at Christmas time. But I got sick around Christmas time. I had like a bad throat infection to where I got bad laryngitis and I could not talk to save my life. Like, I just tried, but nothing would come out. And you know, as I kept trying, it just got worse and worse. So I was like literally like silent, trying to communicate like with my husband and my daughter, like with my hands and like grunting and stuff, until it finally died down. And then after that, it's just like other health issues started to come up, and I just did not have the energy to record a proper reaction for you guys, one that I would feel was worthy. If I'm not gonna come with the same energy that I always come with to give that genuine fun reaction, then why bother? I'm not trying to have y'all bored, and I'm not trying to sit there and watch things and just be low energy. So I wanted to wait until I felt my energy was up enough to really give you guys a good reaction. So I'm working on getting back on track and back on schedule to keep the videos coming. So thank y'all for still showing love to all my other videos and still sticking with me. So this next reaction, I have been waiting forever to watch this performance. Since they did it, whenever they did it, I'll get back to the request list after this performance. I just want to see it now, dang it. And I'm still gonna do the Christmas songs too. We just gonna mix it all in, because Christmas songs to me can be listened to any time of the year because they're happy. Who doesn't want to hear happy music at any time during the year? So right now I just want to knock out this Silk Sonic performance of the song Fly As Me, which I love that song. I mean, I love every song on the album, but I love that song. And I'm not going to talk anymore. I am not. Turn these things on. Okay, let's get it.
Son,
I should have had all of this ready.
We're grabbing burgers for dinner if you're interested. I'm vegan.
My bad, John. I'm feeling the white. Oh, get it. Get it, y'all. Oh, shoot.
Okay, now have you ever been with a player? Take you downtown where they treat me like the mayor. Take you to the crib, we can take it upstairs.
What's upstairs?
I'ma show you later. Don't need a spatula, everything catered. Extra flavor. Go ahead, stick some truffle on your mashed potatoes. I'm trying to love. Is you gonna love me back? You only get what you give. Ain't you heard of that? Come on. I don't ask for much. I really don't.
Get it, y'all.
I just want what's there.
Oh shoot. Okay.
With somebody as fly as me, somebody this fly, and you deserve to be seen with somebody as fly as me, somebody this fly. Don't let them trick you with the jeans off. Okay, now Silk Sonic smooth like a Mac.
Get it, Andy.
On every single track, and the only language that I speak, girl, is back. So once I get this game to you, I can take it back. I don't run you but my 1977 Monte Carlo, hard act to follow. It's showtime, trying to boo you up like it's the Apollo. You're all suspicious, let's get down to business. You and me together, woo, that's something different. Come on, I don't ask for much. I really don't, girl. I just want what's there. Look here, I'll bring that fire and desire, baby. All you gotta do is this. All you gotta do is let me every day. I deserve to be with somebody as fly as me.
finally watch that performance. And that was the perfect song for the Soul Train Awards. Soul Train Awards. Oh, yeah, you know what I'm saying. I can talk. I speak English, I promise. Because that song, to me, fits the era when Soul Train was, like, at its peak. It fits perfectly. I love seeing all my natural queens in the audience rocking their fros, rocking their natural hair. Yeah, of course, they dress. Their outfits were perfect for the time. That was just a great performance. It just was nice to watch something high energy that I can groove to kind of get back into the swing. Let me like this. Get back into the swing of doing my reaction. So I just want to give y'all a little something as I, get back into the routine. We about to get back into this because I'm getting back into my health. So, this was just to kind of kick it off, something a little fun and feel good. So thank y'all so much for sticking with me. Thank y'all for still showing me love and support and sticking by. And that's all I got for you today. Just leave a comment of what you want me to react to. It doesn't have to just be music. It can be whatever you want. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.